Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are going to show you the step-by-step process on how to replace fluorescent bulbs. Let's get started. Alright YouTubers, in the kitchen now, and there are the light fixtures, and when I flip the switch, that switch is for the long light. I'll try it again. And nothing, so I think those are burnt out. Now the small light fixture here is this switch down here, and when I flip that switch, you see a little bit as it is trying or attempting to turn on. I'll turn it off and on, but as you can see, it's just not lighting up. So clear indication that all of these bulbs are old and need to be replaced. What we'll do is we will open up the cover here and remove the light and take those light bulbs or a photo of the part number to our local Lowe's or Home Depot, match the bulbs, and buy replacement bulbs. All right, I'm up on a ladder. Be very careful if you get on a ladder. And here's how you do it. You just have a lip here. You will slowly just remove it from its clip or connection rail here on each side, as you can see here. And each side has that lip. So just carefully remove the entire cover, and there's your bulbs. After setting that in a safe location, back up to the bulbs. The way to do this is carefully turn, and you have connection rods sticking out of this portion of the bulb, and just turn it until you see that rod present, as you can see here, and then you will pull it right down. Just like that. And be very careful. If you drop these, they shatter in a million pieces. So we'll go and remove the second bulb, and we'll also remove both of the larger bulbs and take one of each bulb with us to the hardware store. All right, YouTubers, at this point we have all 4 light bulbs removed, and I want to show you something down here. If your bulbs have a dark stain to them on the tips or anywhere else in the bulb, that is a clear indication of failure. These bulbs will not ever be able to work properly again if they look like this. There's the part number. You can take a photo as well as the watts of the bulb. And here are the smaller bulbs. There isn't really any dark stains, but maybe in this little portion here. Also, you kind of want to inspect the tips or leads here. If those are badly corroded, oxidized, or damaged, that will also cause the light bulbs to not work properly. So this is a 20 watt bulb each, and this is a Philips brand. There's the model number, and these are GEs. All right, YouTubers, we are back from our local Lowe's, and I know the old ones were Philips on the small 20 watt. However, we went with GE because that's what was available. And we had really bright lights in the larger bulb. However, we chose to go with the warm white 40-inch kitchen and bath bulbs. 2 set, and these ones come in single. These were about $9 each, and I believe this was $10 for a set. From here, we are going to spend a couple minutes and dust and clean the inner portions of the actual casings that the bulbs go into, because let's be honest, once you put the bulbs in and that cover lens back on, are you really going to take time on a different day to pull that apart and clean it? No, probably not. Now's our only chance. And after that, we'll hop up and install the bulbs. And I'm wearing rubber gloves because I don't want lots of fingerprints or finger oils on the actual bulbs. All right, YouTubers, the cleaning is done. Now we are going to carefully remove the bulbs. Again, don't drop these. These will shatter. And we will hop up top. And again, the small bulbs first. We will line up the prongs properly here and on each side, as you can see there. And once you insert it, you will turn it until it is secure. That one is secure. Let's go grab the other bulb. Prior to doing so, make sure that the rods are not sticking out or the electrical leads. Those are twisted in a way that that bulb is in, secured, and locked. And the second bulb, again, align those connection leads in on each side and press them up, and from here you will turn it until it locks into place. And again, inspect that those electrical leads or rods on the tip here are not exposed in that little indent there. From here we'll grab the cover lens and secure that. And again, these little hooks here is where the hook portion of the lens will grab onto. Go ahead and get the back portion first, and I've got the upper right portion of the lens in place, and I'll go all the way to the opposite side. Again, there's that little hook, up and over, and verify all four corners are properly aligned and resting on that hook. From here, let's hop to the larger 48-inch bulbs and install those the same way. All right, YouTubers, down from the ladder over by the light switch, we are going to turn on the 48-inch bulbs first. And those turned on right away. Over to the smaller 24-inch bulbs. And those turned on right away. So as you can see, again, we went with the warm kitchen and bath light bulbs, and those are nice. Hope the video helped, YouTubers. That's it, YouTubers. As you can see, pretty friendly DIY project. From here, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that would be awesome. Thanks again for watching.